Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bevy. If you're new here, if you're a return subscriber, thank you for coming back. Okay, so this happens to be a continuation of the pre-poo treatment that I did for my hair just last week. So I'm going to run you guys through my wash day session, and I'll be washing my hair with OilKing Gh's product. And then I would also be giving you guys a full review of what I think about the product in my description box. So stay tuned and enjoy this. So after shampooing my hair, I rinsed it out, and then I went ahead to add the moisturizing mask into my hair. And then after I applied it, I covered my hair with a shower cap to allow heat to, settle in the hair so the product can really penetrate my scalp. And then I gave it up to some minutes, which was exactly 10 minutes. Then I went ahead to go and rinse it out. After rinsing it out, then I had to apply the conditioner into my hair as well. As you can see in the video, my hair was really badly damaged. You can see the ends still looking straight. But let's see how it goes with the treatment I've done so far. So far, what I've done is a pre-poo with aloe vera and rice water. And this was my wash day that followed up the pre-poo that I did in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can just look through my videos and check out my playlist for everything silk press, and you will get all my videos post silk press and pre silk press. So yeah, I decided to apply the conditioner into my hair in sections to make it easier to work with. I then went under the shower cap again to get enough heat to penetrate through my hair, and this time around I had to keep it in for just 5 minutes. So after rinsing out my hair, then I went ahead to make sure my hair was slightly dry, not totally dry but slightly dry. Then the next thing was to follow up with my LOC method, which is leave-in, oil and butter.